At what will be the next for DevOps or in SRE. So before going to that one, first of all, understand how many practices like DevOps, SRE, there is a platform engineering. So how many things were separated right now in the current situation? So I can say like, from the last 10 years, we have DevOps evolved so much big and now you can see there are so many senior DevOpses, lead DevOpses, and they're matured. Okay. And the next level of the DevOps is also started in some of the organizations like Netflix, YouTube, and you can say Instagram. So there people are following the SRE practices. So what is SRE and what is platform engineering? What is the difference between these three, DevOps, SRE, and platform engineering? Today we will discuss about that one. Let's jump into it. Hi, this is Venkatesh.Sarivisetty. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the three different variants of practices like DevOps, SRE, and platform engineering. So first, DevOps, if you see, it is a practice or a culture. People will follow the culture to do the end-to-end, like build that application. You know about the pipeline of the particular DevOps, right? So when you have the DevOps, we have plan, build, testing, security checks, and then finally deployment. So this is completely a handshake between a developer and the operations team. So that is a DevOps team. So you can mark yourself like where you are on in this DevOps. So if you want to mature on the DevOps, like when you have optimized the deployment fashions and to use the different strategies of the deployments and reducing the test case, reducing the issues, reducing the security vulnerabilities issues and all. So this will come under the DevOps thing. What is SRE? So SRE is like site reliability engineer. When you have developed an application using a DevOps thing and it is already running in your production environment and you have given a SLAs to the person who is purchased our product. For example, I have developed one application. Take for example as an Instagram. So they developed it and they are giving to that person, like we are all using that person. So you will see that Instagram is having a 100% uptime. I cannot say like 100%, it will be like a 99.99% will have the uptime. So how it is maintained, how it is happening. So that's where we have in that organization, we'll have a site reliability engineers team. So what's their work is like, once they developed or deployed the application to the production, so they will keep monitoring the logs and keep monitoring the metrics which are coming from the application, and they'll keep studying that one, and they will if they are identify any slowness or if any like unwanted issues or bugs are happening behind the screen or behind back end or in the front end. So end of the day, the site reliability engineer will take up of that whatever the SLAs which is provided to the product. He has to be stick to that one, and he has to adhere to that SLOs. And then we have a concept called SLOs and SLIs, that is service level objectives and service level metrics indicators. So these are all by studying that the existing application will come up with different types of service level of agreements, objectives and indicators. So main core of SREs is main on like observability and reliability and availability. So this SRE has to focus on these um, three main practices like observability, availability, liability. So these are the three core things, and most probably they will work on the Grafana, Prometheus, and Kubernetes. So these are the three tools for them to monitor the entire application. Coming to the third one, platform engineering. So platform engineering is like you might have heard about that one. Like for example, a developer they don't want they don't have an idea how to run a Terraform code, how to run a Kubernetes thing. So in this type of scenarios, platform engineers will develop a internal tool for them make use of it. That means if you give that platform to a developer, he can go and click that button and then the environment will get created, like Kubernetes clusters and EKS clusters. And then you can take it as an example like creation of anything. So they will create a own platform for them, and whoever want to use that one, the developers, and they can make use of this environment. So that's why the platform engineering will be evolved in the organization to make use of it. Like, for example, if I want to use a Kubernetes cluster, platform engineering will provide a, platform for me. That means if you take it as an example as a rancher, so they will develop a rancher workbench for me, and I will deploy my application to that rancher clusters. That's an example I'm telling it. And same thing for the EKS also. So they will develop the EKS cluster, and so these are the three principles which are followed right now. Um, One is DevOps, it's already evolved, and SRE. Um, like once we have a product released, and SRE's role is to maintain that application to be healthy and maintain that uptime all time. And platform engineering is like how you are providing the platform to the end users to make use of it. So that is all about the three things I just want to discuss about this with you. And if you have any questions on this one, please share your comments on this video. It will help me to discuss, or it will help me to record some more thing about these concepts. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.